Mix these two together and wash your face with it and see what will happen. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. So in this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, drawing you closer to God, teaching you how to do your spiritual work yourself. You doing it rightly, follow the instructions, you see everything working perfectly, just like a magic. If you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, these two ingredients will help you greatly to make anything you want to come to pass. So I'm going to be telling you one after the other what this and this will do for you. Like this, with your faith, you see things falling into place by the grace of God. Things I share here does not work without faith. Your faith is highly needed, and you have to invite the presence of God. You need to seek from God first before trying anything, making sure your faith is there. Your spirit needs to go along so that it will work perfectly. So this is cinnamon spice. Okay, you can get this from the supermarket, you can get it from the local market, you can also get it online. So cinnamon attracts wealth, it opens doors. This is something that if you use it during prayers, okay, during your prayers, it will enable your request to be granted. Like this is something that will pave way for your prayers to be answered. So you have to get cinnamon powder. If it's the stick you have, you can also make use of it, but you have to turn it into a powdered form. I've also shown how to make use of the stick, in different way to manifest prosperity, to make your heart desires to come to pass. Like this is something that make your wishes to come to pass. So you using it early morning will make things to work perfectly for you all through the day. Using it to wash your face or any body part will attract so many things to you. Aside attracting wealth or prosperity or open doors, it will also bring love, making your loved ones or people that hate you to start loving you. So this is sugar, okay, a ground sugar. So like I always say, if you want to do spiritual work that involves sugar, it's best to make use of white sugar. So I love the white type. It's not as if the brown one will not be effective. It will also work. So get your sugar, and also sugar will help to make things sweet. Like everything about you will be so sweet. If your life is full of bitterness, people don't love you, people don't favor you, anywhere you go, you don't receive any kindness. Anywhere you go, people despise you. Okay, at the end of this, you see that there will be a lot of difference. So in case you are the type that nothing works for you, check my channel. I've also shared if things are not working for you, what to do. Just bring out your time, go through my videos, just check the titles. You will see that you will have one that will help you greatly. Make sure your heart is free. You don't bear grudges, you don't carry anger for a long time. Yes, people can get angry, we are human, but you have to make sure you don't carry it to heart. Don't keep it in your heart and start praying, because that time you are seeking blessing from God, when you are asking God to do this for you, or you want God to protect you, and your heart is heavy, things cannot work the way it should work. And also lend your hand. Make sure your hand is free, like you are a giver. So I've also shared, before you give anything, how to do the right thing so that evil ones will not use your good to pay you evil. So how to use these two to make sure your day is blessed, to make sure your request is granted, is get a bowl of water. It can be a bucket of water. The first one you have to start with is cinnamon. Pray with your cinnamon powder. Tell God that you should make this to be effective. First, tell God to forgive your iniquities. You are a sinner, that He should pardon you, that you are a sinner, that He should have mercy upon you, that you want this to be effective, that you want the Holy Spirit to flow into this, that you don't want it to be ordinary cinnamon, that you want it, if you make use of it, let it be a blessing to attract all these good things you need. Then you have to add half tablespoon or more into that water, depending the quantity of the water. Also get your sugar and also pray the same way. Pray that God should forgive your iniquities. You have to do it one after the other. Don't say you have already done the same thing with cinnamon and you don't want to do it, no need. No, don't say no need. You have to pray the same way. Tell God to pardon your iniquities. Your sin can also make things not to work for you. Okay, pray that this sugar should sweeten your life, that God should make it to sweeten your life, that your life should be sweet, people should love you anywhere you go, that you want to receive favor. Just pray with it and just make sure that your faith is there. Believe that this will work for you. Feel it that it's already working for you, and it will work for you. So after praying with it, you have to transfer 1 full tablespoon into that water. Make sure your sugar is more than cinnamon. In case you added half tablespoon of cinnamon, make sure your sugar is 1 full tablespoon. If your cinnamon is 1 full tablespoon, make sure your cinnamon powder is 1.5 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons. So that is how you have to measure it into that water. Then you have to start praying, mixing it together with your hand. Be mixing it and be praying once again that you are about to use it to wash any body parts, that you want people to see you, like a good person you are. There are some people that they are actually very good. They know how to deliver a particular job, but because of the forces following them, it will be as if those things are not there. Anywhere they go, they don't receive favor. Tell God to cleanse out any evil, anything that the enemy must have placed in your life that is making things not to work for you. Use it to cleanse yourself. Use it to wash your face. Anyhow you want to do it. You can use it to wash your face or only your hands. But make sure you do it first thing in the morning. Okay? You don't need to soak this through. Just do it immediately you wake up from sleep. Use it to wash your face. As you are washing your face, continue praying that God should remove anything hatred, anything delay, anything disappointment, anything that is bringing causes, problems here and there, that God should remove it from your life. Use it to be washing your face, and you see things will happen after this. By the grace of God, everything will start going well for you. If you have been watching my videos, you will see that I've made like some few videos similar like this, but I've never made use of these two together. The only time I made use of these two together was one video like that, how to attract love, how to make your loved ones to call you back, people that you have separated with, okay? They will start loving you. So cinnamon attracts love, and also sugar. It removes hatred. It makes people's hearts to calm down. People that are very angry with you to calm down. So go on and try this, and everything will start working well for you. Do not make use of this if you are seeing your flow. If you're a lady, you are seeing your period. No. Do not make use of this after meeting your partner immediately. No. So stay away from this if you want to meet your partner. This is a spiritual work just like others. By the grace of God, this will work perfectly for you. Go on and try it. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I will see you in my next video.